Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a host and storage model because that shapes cost and performance. Once you have a VPS or cloud instance, install a lightweight OS and update packages. Make sure to enable a firewall. Next, create user accounts and assign storage quotas so you avoid surprises. Also provision an SSL certificate and a reachable domain name. This protects data in transit. These initial choices determine scalability, so choose based on expected users and growth, rather than just current needs. You now build the core, install your chosen storage stack, and connect it to a database for metadata. This lets you index files efficiently. Once installed, configure object stores and enable replication for redundancy. Make sure encryption at rest is turned on to protect disks. Then set up authentication, API keys for apps and OAuth or SAML for users to control access. Finally, tune rate limits and logging so you can audit activity and keep performance predictable as usage grows. You finish by validating every workflow: upload, download, sync, and sharing. Use test accounts to verify permissions and quotas. Once tests pass, automate daily backups and set monitoring for disk I/O, latency, and error rates so you catch issues early. Deploy health checks and alerts to your inbox or pager. If something goes wrong, start by checking firewall rules, SSL certificate mismatches, or permission misconfigurations. Those three are the usual culprits and often resolve access failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.